Kenya riu mari na mweke ungi wa kuheana maoni mao megie mutaratara wa kwagura munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua kurumirira notithi iria cabithitio ni karani wa bunge Samuel Njoroge. Thiini wa notithi ino Njoroge anirire muthenya wa rucio ri wa itena ria keri ria Kenya kuheana maoni, akiuga ati itua riri rikinyanirio kurumirira itua ria igoti rinene ria Kiruguya riria muthenya wa ira rirathanire ati mihango ino ikorwo thiini wa icigo ciothe 290 cia ubunge. Muthenya wa ira murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Jerry Maina ni arathire igoti-ini akienda igoti rituithanie kana mihango iria yatinda ikihanika umuthi irari miiganu kuhanika na muthenya umwe, akiuga ati ona ihinda ria kumenyithia muingi wigie muthenya wa kuruta maoni rirari ikunderu na ni gitumi giki gicungiriirie mucirithania Richard Mwongo gwathana ihinda riu riongererwo. Umuthi mihango ino ni hanikire icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi ona gutuika ni yuma na urugari muingi wa kiuteti kuria Kenya mari na woni ngurani mokaniriire, na riu atongoria ni marutite mukana ati kwaya gukorwo bururi-ini ndarama cia bara urahura igeri-ini ria kuhagura Gachagua.
Muthako uria watinda thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ni muthako uri no gwati muno, tondu ni muthako wa gutuma nduriri ciukanirire otoria kuonekire 2007 twarikirie na matari itheru gukanirira oguo gukigia na violence mbere ya githurano ikirikie ri bara thutha wa githurano.
Across the country we've seen it in Kiambu where our client Governor Waititu was, and we up to now we do not know what happened to him, but we do know there was violence there. And not just in Kiambu, in Nyeri, the entire Mount Kenya and other parts of the country.
Atongoria mung'ethaniro maugite ati kuri na uhotekeku munene ati uteti uyu urathie na mbere ni wa kugeria kweheria maitho ma bururi hari maundu maria thirikari ireka.
Ndeto icio cia impeachment cia Gachagua ni cia gutwehereria maitho mathina maria maihurite bururi-ini na thina wa thirikari wothe ehwo nake na reke rucio rungi na ithu twikunya gutu.
The country is in a serious crisis, and these are matters that should be taking our focus and our attention as a nation, not a public participation exercise over some power play in the ruling coalition.
President William Ruto riu ni erekeirio njara ni kuonekana tararekereria bururi kuingira urugari-ini wa kiuteti kugerera mutaratara uyu.
Blame this totally on the president and his ruling coalition that has subjected the country to an unnecessary process that was not really a priority. There are many priorities that many Kenyans are looking at.
What Kenyans then should prepare for is to impeach this government. They have started it, wacha tumalize. And Kenyans can do so directly using the same process by collecting signatures at the same centers, ili wao pia waseme mlikuja na hii na ile tulikuwa tunataka.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani Wangũnjiri.